Auckland is the biggest and most well-known metropolis in New Zealand, Christchurch is the capital and the gateway to the South Island. We spent 12 of our 16 days in New Zealand in the South Island, and our wilderness-filled itinerary was jam-packed with daily adventures.
There's about a dozen or so episodes upcoming, so make sure to subscribe.
We spent the night in Lyttleton, an older harbour town on the other side of Mount Pleasant, and noticed that after the short flight, the changes in latitude were having a deeply noticeable effect on the sunset time. Remember, summer begins in December south of the equator, and our expedition landed right near the solstice. We went from Auckland to Christchurch on a short hour and 15-minute Air New Zealand flight. Upon arrival, we rented a Mitsubishi 4x4, which would prove to be both vital and cherished in terms of maximizing our adventures.
Christchurch has about 500,000 of New Zealand's 5.5 million people and is the second most populous city in the country, naturally, then the largest on the South Island.
That's Christchurch. Yeah, quarry down there. It's pretty cool. Massive operation. Very windy. Antarctica's over there. Antarctica is just there. This place.